Good evening, students. So, get ready for the second QBasic program, series 2. Now, in this series, you can see it is 2, 9, 28, 65 up to 10 term. First, understand it. How it will work? It will work 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1 means 1 power 3. The next one is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 means 2 power 3. So and so on. The next one will be 3 power 3. Now look here, 1 power 3, 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. The first number that we want, the 2 power 3 is equal to 8, and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. This thing, the 3 power 3 is equal to 27. Then plus 1, then plus 1 is equal to 28. So this will be the series. So the sequence is, my dear students, what will the formula now? The formula is, whatever the number is, n power 3 plus 1. The n, we will print this thing. So let's start the program. CLS n is equal to 1. A if n is less than and equal to 10, then go to B, else go to C. B, print what you want, n power 3 plus 1, and again for the increment of the value of n is n is equal to n plus 1. Then go to A, last function, and select it, right click, copy, go to QBasic, press Ctrl V. Run it. To run it, you can go click over here and click start, or there is a shortcut key F5. So dear students, it's 2, 9, 28, 65, 126. Is it same like this series? 2, 9, 8, 25 till 10 terms. So dear students, this is the coding. To run a program, you have to press F5. I hope you understand this program. Dear students, work hard, practice a lot for your practicals. May God bless you a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.